This is a CD. This is how our ancestors got entertained. But how does this light disc even work? The simple answer is lasers and vibrations. The way light reflects off the material of the CD makes sound. But what even is? How can sound go from here to there? Is this magic? Close. It's vibration. Sound is created when things vibrate, like when a drum is hit or when someone talks. These vibrations travel through the air as waves, and when they reach your ears, we know as sound. We can easily actually see this happen by putting a speaker into some water. We can see the vibration ripple through the water. The best example for this is echolocation.